In this video we do a little get ready with me when I achieve this little makeup, very simple, and at the same time I wanted to answer some of the assumptions I receive in my comments here on YouTube and also on TikTok. I have very dry skin, so try to use cream products. It's winter here in New Zealand, so it's been 5 degrees this morning, so it's even worse for me. Already did my skincare first thing in the morning, skincare, because otherwise my skin will feel very tight and uncomfortable. So I already have my creams on, and I'm just gonna add some lip balm, lip gloss that I received yesterday. So I bought from Shiglam, and then I received it yesterday, and I tried it, and it is a plumping lip balm, lip gloss, which I'm happy about. It tingles a bit, but not too long, so that's alright. Alright, maybe first thing before we start is to add a bit more moisturizer under my eyes. The video has cut. So where was I? So I have been looking for creams forever, and I remember that my grandmother still using, she's 85, still using the Nivea cream, and her skin is amazing. So I started using it. This is the light one because I know I have very dry skin, but I don't like when my skin is too heavy. Just because it's a bit richer than the other cream that I use, I'll put it under my eyes so the concealer does not sink into my fine lines too much. Especially now, it's like dehydration lines actually. And why not answering some assumption that I received about Tahitian dance while I'm doing my makeup this morning. Cream bronzer. I think it was supposed to be a cream contour. It's good, yeah, but I took a color so it can be a bronzer for me as well. Just put a little here, here, and here. Alright, first assumption that I received. A lot of people think that Tahitian dance is for Tahitian to dance. Only Tahitian people can dance it. And let me tell you guys, that is not the truth. Anyone can dance Tahitian dance. It's not about genetics. It's not about culture. It's about the technique and learning. A lot of Tahitian people actually are not dancing Tahitian dance or doesn't know how to dance Tahitian dance. That's why we pay classes to learn it. So it's part of our culture. It's important. We started from very little, but not a lot of us actually are dancing Tahitian dance in groups. It's mostly for the fun, for the culture, for workout. Most of the time people are dancing because it's a sport and so much easier than running, right? Though I love running, it's easier. You can dance at home. It's like you can do cardio by yourself at home with the basics of Tahitian dance. So no, not only Tahitian people can dance Tahitian dance, and there's so many amazing dancers that are not Tahitian at all. Another assumption, a lot of people think that Tahitian dance and Hawaiian dance, hula, are the same. They are not. Tahitian dance is from Tahiti, originally from Tahiti, and Hawaiian dance is from Hawaii. And Hawaii call their dance hula, we call our dance ori, and there's also the Kukalan dance that is very similar, actually more similar than the Tahitian dance, because Kukalan culture and Tahitian culture are also very close, because our islands are like not even an hour apart. It's the same people, I believe, that were colonized by two different colonizer, different people. We were colonized by France and they were colonized by England. Though England was trying to colonize Tahiti too, there was something going on and France won. Maybe the difference with hula is that hula is very so graceful. Tahitian dance is not as graceful as Hawaiian dance, I think. And yeah, movements are a bit different. Hawaiian dance is very strict, I think. Not Tahitian dance, not that much, I believe. Blush, this is a cream blush, cheeky color, rose. Just in case you want, it's rose meadow. Love it. Another assumption that I receive a lot of people are saying that you need a certain type of body to be able to dance. If you're a certain size, you can't dance or make it happen. And once again, guys, if you want, literally anyone can dance, no matter your size. I've seen and I know amazing dancers that are in the biggest size. People think that you need to have large hips to be able to dance. She doesn't have large hips. She's dancing amazing. So no, guys, it's not about the body type. It's not about the size. It's about the technique. And yeah, of course, if you are heavier, it will be a bigger workout for you. It will be more cardio, it will be harder. When you're thinner, you're lighter, it's easier to move. That doesn't mean that you can't dance because of your size. And you know, depending on your morphology, the moves will look different as well. And that doesn't mean that you can't dance. That just means that your movements are different, and that's totally okay. So it's important to know that, because you shouldn't be discouraged because your way of dancing doesn't look like others. You know, there's many morphologies and everyone's dancing differently. And so if you follow the techniques and the right posture, then that's that. Look at yourself in the mirror, and if you like the move, that's okay. If not, then try to enhance the move a bit more. Talking about circular movement mostly, because the side to side, it's easy for most of you. So yeah, it's not about the size, it's not about the morphology, guys, it's about the technique. And no one wants to believe me when I say that. But yeah, it's about the technique. I did a live yesterday on TikTok, and the person asked me if I give online classes, because I know it's hard to learn by yourself at home, you know, I get it. I do not give group classes because I just don't have enough space for that in my house, and you know, with the kids and stuff. But I do give private classes where you tell me what day and time will suit you, and we do a live session of 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes, where I will explain you, and it won't be a dancing class, it will be more a technical class where I give you advice, I show you, and I look at you dancing, and I try to explain what's okay and what's not, so you can progress. So if that's something you're looking for, we leave my email below and send an email, and I can, you know, with your question, and we can see how we can make it work for you if that's something you're looking at. Another assumption, a lot of people think that Tahitian dance is to get attentions, like attention, bad attention, if that makes sense. It's important to understand that we teach Tahitian dance to all little girls. We teach Tahitian dance, we learn Tahitian dance from very young age, and saying that it's to get men attention, thinking that way is very wrong, because that's really not the case. We dance to celebrate life and love, and you know, depending if it's a wedding, if it's an anniversary, if it's a burial, like we dance at any occasion, people arriving from other country for a long time, it's a welcoming, it's a message of happiness and love from our people. And so it's very important to respect it. And I know moves can look a bit shocking for some people when you're not used to it, but in our culture we do it from, we dance from a very little age, and every little girl wants to know how to dance Tahitian dance because that's part of our culture. So yeah, I hope that makes sense. Really wanted to make that clear. And just to finish up with a last assumption, a lot of people think that because I dance, I'm not a believer. I'm not a Christian. I don't go to church. I had message saying that I go to hell. I have message saying like a lot of mean things that people are saying without even knowing me and the culture I came from. And I get it. Everyone have their own way of thinking, and from their personal experience in life they can think a certain way, and that's okay. But just wanted to make that clear. I'm married, I have 5 children, I am a believer of God and of Jesus Christ. And growing up in this, in Tahiti, I never felt that dancing was against my belief and my principles. And actually we also dance at church, not on Sunday, Sabbath day, but we do celebration, and everyone is enjoying dancing and teaching it to the little one when we have a Christmas party or dance night with everyone. So never have I thought that way about dancing. For me, dancing is not about getting attentions from anyone, and it's not because I dance that I don't believe in God. And fun fact, an important fact is that in Tahiti, most of the people are Christian. Even though we have different religion, we all pray every day, pray each meals, and on Sunday, most of the shop are closed because everyone goes to church. So we are a community of people who believe in God. Also dance, a lot of songs in Tahitian dance is about God and praising Him while we are dancing. So yeah, I wanted to put that up there just so you know that I don't have any intention when I share Tahitian dance with you. My intentions here is really just to teach you for the one who wants to learn. Of course, I know a lot of people think otherwise when they comment or follow me, but I hope that can make it clear because I don't want to attract the wrong people to my page. Hopefully through this video you can see a bit more my personality and my intention behind sharing Tahitian dance to the world at this point, because you guys are from all over the world. I'm very grateful to see that a lot of people love my culture as much as I do, if not more. That's the result of the makeup, and I actually forgot to put some highlights on. Is it that one? That's a very pretty one, and that's the shade Bellini Brunch. I show you, looks so pretty. One dot is way enough. Look. And here you have it, a little makeup without any foundation. And yeah, I really hope you like this video. If you have any more question about Tahitian dancing, Tahitian culture, feel free to ask. If one day you want to go to Tahiti and you want advices for traveling, ask me your question as well. I'll be happy to help you. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you soon for my next video. Bye.